Hello and welcome back to the Crazy Casecon Technology channel. In a previous episode we installed solid state drive, and today we are going to see if it is worth the money by doing two tests. We have installed Windows 10 on the solid state drive and hard drive. We are going to see them side by side on my computer, which one boots faster. The second test will be done in the same way, side by side, just using a game called Minecraft. Now that we have got the computer ready, we are going to do the test. 3, 2, 1, start. Now let's test Minecraft. 3, 2, 1, start. As you can see from the videos, there is a clear difference, but how much? We ran and recorded each test 3 times to get an average load time. Booting Windows to the login screen was 35% faster on the SSD, and loading Minecraft on the SSD was 70% quicker. It was also noticeable in the noise on the HDD in the SSD. These tests show moving to a solid state drive is a really good decision. Here's a sneak peek for another video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.